Baltic Persian, Lithuanian. Baltic Persian, also known simply as Old Persian, is a Western Baltic language spoken by the Old Prussians in the region of East Prussia, now split between modern-day Poland, Lithuania, and Russia, in Kaliningrad Oblast. It is a member of the Indo-European language family and parts of the Baltic subgroup, closely related to Lithuanian and Latvian, but distinct in many features. Old Prussian is primarily known through a small number of surviving texts, such as the catechisms written in the 16th century. Baltic Prussian remains important for historical linguistics as it provides valuable insights into the early developments of the Baltic languages. Lithuanian is one of the two surviving languages of the Baltic branch of the Indo-European language family, primarily spoken in Lithuania and among Lithuanian communities worldwide. Renowned for its archaic features, it preserves many elements of Proto-Indo-European, making it a valuable resource for linguistic studies. It is written in the Latin alphabet and has a rich literary tradition dating back to the 16th century. Lithuanian is the official language of Lithuania and an official language of the European Union, playing a central role in the nation's cultural identity.
Eins,
Vienas,
dwai,
du,
trys,
trys,
keturi,
keturi,
penki,
penki,
usiai,
šeši,
septyni,
septyni,
aštuoni,
aštuoni,
devyni,
devyni,
10.
10.
Mūsu Tēve, kas esi ant dangų, seisai šventintuojas semens.
Tėve mūsų, kuris esi danguje, teesie šventas tavo vardas.
Pareisi tuoj rīki, tuoj skoit saudāsīsi, kai gen dangu tebīgi nozimin.
Teateinie tavo karalystė, teesie tavo valia, kaip danguje, taip ir žemėje.
Mūsandieninam gaitindais mūmans šiandienan,
Kasdienės mūsų duonos duok mums šiandien,
bet verpiais mūmans nūsans aušautins, kaigi mes atverpiamai nūsamans aušautinīkamans.
ir atleisk mums mūsų kaltes, kaip ir mes atleidžiame savo kaltininkams.
Bet nevedais mans ant per bandam, sklaitis rankys mans azu vargu.
Ir neleisk mūsų gundyti, bet gelbėk mus nuo pikto. Amen.